So people ask me, Chris, what is Fire Your Landlord? What is it designed to do? Well, I came up with an idea of teaching the consumer all about how loans work. Well, that's kind of nice, but it could also be kind of boring, and I admit it. Some of you want to know when you are ready to buy a house, or when you start thinking about buying a house, it's, I need to learn this, I need to learn that, and you take it very serious for a short period of time through the home buying process. But I also wanted to do something else. It was also designed in a silly way. I wanted to make people laugh. So I made some commercials, and I made funny memes about landlords being jerks and different things like that that would make people laugh, but make people say, you know, I really don't want to have a landlord anymore. You know, some people say, my landlord is a jerk. And I know there are some wonderful landlords who you love and they love you back. And I'm not talking about them. But I do think it's important for the consumer to be able to step up and buy their own home. It's not for everybody. It's not day one. It's not when you're 18 years old for most people. But it becomes a life choice, and it does some wonderful things for families. You know, it's one of the family's biggest assets when they retire, you know, 401k and their home. So why wouldn't a person buy a home? So I thought about this and said, I need to teach this. So I did things in a couple of different ways. One, I did it funny. Two, I did it kind of a New Yorker, fire your landlord, kind of an in-your-face kind of thing. And I took advantage of that, and people thought that that was funny too. But I also wanted to give a real education, really teach people, how does an FHA loan work? I'm going to talk about that later. How does a VA loan work? Thank you for your service to you veterans. How do these other loans work? Which one is more beneficial to me? See, most people are at the mercy of the realtor and the lender that they meet with. Well, I want to educate you so you know the right one for you the first time.